Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error code 529, and it's a very annoying problem, I know. I'm going to try my best to help you in this tutorial. So make sure you subscribe and like this video if you found this tutorial helpful, or if you will find this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do to fix this problem, make sure you head over to the game Roblox. Just click on the Roblox where you have Roblox saved, and where you have the Roblox game saved or located. Click on the click on the game, go to properties, go to compatibility. Make sure you check this box, check this box, and change DPI. And here check this box, click on change DPI and check this box as well. This can solve the problem because we'll just really force the game, so to speak, to work without any errors. So also make sure you leave your results in the comment section. Thank you for watching and take care.